Hello students, in today's lecture we will be discussing about the capital structure. In this lecture we will discuss forms or patterns of capital structure, objectives of capital structure and classification of capital structure. We know that capital structure is the mix of different sources of long-term capital such as equity shares, preference shares, debentures, long-term loans and retained earnings. In simple words, it is the mix of debt and equity. Debt is the company's long-term borrowings and equity is the long-term fund provided by shareholders. Next topic, forms or pattern of capital structure. First one, equity shares only, then equity shares and preference shares, then equity shares and debentures. Last one, equity shares, preference shares and debentures. Following are the important forms of capital structure. Next, objectives of capital structure. The decision of capital structure aims at the following two important objectives. First one, maximize the value of the firm. Second, minimizes the overall cost of capital. These are the two important objectives of capital structure. Next topic, classification of capital structure. Simple capital structure. Capital structure is composed of equity share capital only or with retained earnings is known as simple capital structure. Complex capital structure includes more than one sources of capital. Ownership capital structure is made up of ownership securities such as equity shares, preference shares and retained earnings. Borrowed capital structure is composed of borrowed capital such as debentures, long-term loans, etc. The internal capital structure is composed of internal sources such as equity share capital, retained earnings and preference capital, etc. External capital structure includes external sources of capital such as debentures, long-term loans, etc. Capital structure made up of fixed cost securities such as preference shares, debentures and long-term loans are known as fixed cost capital structure. Capital structure made up of variable cost securities is called variable cost capital structure. Equity share capital is an example of variable cost securities. These are the important classifications of capital structure.